Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you watched my vlogs before, you probably know that when it comes to the fashion, I have a quite intentional approach. I usually make one purchase per month, a piece of clothing, a pair of shoes, bag or something like this. And of course, there are some exceptions. We all are humans and life happens to us, but generally this is the way how I like to curate my wardrobe, my personal style, slowly, thoughtfully, but this month is gonna be different. Back in March, I did a seasonal wardrobe switch from winter to summer, and I also reviewed everything. And it turns out that there were a few pieces that looked quite loft, like time to go to the recycling loft. And there were also a couple of purchases that I did last year, but ended up not really loving that much because of comfort, or I simply didn't like how they looked with all of my summer outfits. So I packed a small bag and brought it to the Beacon closet. So this time I'm not just adding one new pieces, but rebuilding, refreshing, filling gaps of my summer wardrobe. I have already placed a few orders. The first one has arrived, so I'm very excited to share the pieces that I choose, the why behind them. I also ordered a couple of new brands for me that I wanted to try for a long time. So I'm excited to share my first impressions about the quality, about the cuts and the little details like this. So let's grab a cup of coffee or cup of tea, get yourself comfortable, and let's get into it. Yesterday I received my order from COS where I picked up two items. The first one is a white cotton tank top, just summer wardrobe staple that I needed to replace. And what I like about this particular one, it's a scoop neckline. It feels a little bit more elevated for me, and it's very practical because you can wear any kind of bra underneath without showing any part of it. And generally it's gonna be a super functional layering piece in my wardrobe. Love it, love the quality, love the cut, and gonna to wear it a lot. And the second item is a pair of leather flip-flops. Well, I love my Havaianas. They were and they are my primary summer shoes, and I wear them a lot last 2 summers at least. I love how they look, how they work well with almost every single summer outfit, and they are comfortable, but in the end of the day they're still a piece of rubber and it's a limit sometimes. So last summer, for exact same reason, I bought leather sandals, but I don't really love them in the end and didn't really wear a lot. I don't know, I don't really like how they work with all of my outfit, or maybe how they look on my feet, so I decided to sell them. And this year I went for more safe option and choose just an elevated version of Havaianas leather flip-flops. And I see a lot of brands are doing their version of this kind of flip-flops this season, which is super good because it's easy to choose your perfect pair. I like these COS flip-flops because of the slim straps and also the quality, you can see, is really good. So love both items. Can't wait the next orders to arrive. Meanwhile, let's enjoy some early summer moments in New York City.
вот этот.
Hello guys, I finally received my 2 orders and super excited about both of them, so it's time to unbox it. And let's start with a small one. It's from the brand called LEMAIRE. Love this brand, the stylish one, and I've been eyeing this particular thing for quite a long time, and finally ordered it from the Sense SS app. The only question I have right now is the color, actually, because on the website they call it beige, but on the picture I definitely see like the greenish tone. So yes, it's the right one. Ta-da! Just look at this beautiful color. I love it. So basically it's coin pouch from their famous croissant collection. I think it's like the smallest size of croissant you can get from LEMAIRE. I want to have it for like small little things that I always carry with me, like lip balm, AirPods, and keys that I don't really want to put in my pockets, and I'm not always want to have like a bigger bag with me. So in this kind of cases and situation, this little croissant will be super handy, and phone usually always in my hand, so it's not a problem at all. And generally I think summer is the season for accessories because it's very warm, sometimes even hot, and we don't want to put a lot of layers of fabrics on our body, and it can feel a little bit boring to dress for warmer, hotter days. But this is exactly where like beautiful jewelries, sunglasses, beautiful little summer bags, and also like summer hat, for example, can help a lot. So I'm very excited about this little croissant. Okay, my second order is from My Theresa, and basically I need a replacement for my denim jacket that was from Arket. I bought it a long time ago when I lived in Germany, and Arket actually one of the brands that I really miss here in US, but at this point it is completely worn out and I need a replacement because it's really essential piece for my wardrobe. So I decided to order a denim short from the brand that was on my radar for a long time, and I really wanted to try it. Such a beautiful color, and the main question now is the sizing. I absolutely love them, the both items. So the sizing is actually perfect. I love this oversized look. The sleeves are long enough, it's very important for me, and also I really love this dropped shoulder silhouette, and this beautiful silver button on the cuffs as well. This brand RÓHE actually has jeans, the same denim material, which I've seen on their website, and I love it so much. So now I'm seriously thinking about them to make like full denim look. It would be so cool. This color is actually so beautiful, and also this kind of, it's not even, can you see? Yeah, so beautiful. Speaking about the color, just look at this combination. Love how it goes with this greenish little croissant from LEMAIRE. The only thing with croissant, actually, the strap is quite long. Well, at least for the way I want to wear it, like this, like a necklace, or without the strap at all. So I think I will make like additional hole in the strap. Right now I make it like this. And I think I was actually very good with timing as well, because during this time, end of May, beginning of June, there were a lot of different promotions going on different platforms and websites, and I got both of this item with 20 and 25% of discount. And even COS that I showed you before, I got during Memorial Day event, sales event on COS website. So not for myself, this time of the year is actually really nice time for shopping. Dorian Gray is the best thing I ever seen on stage. Sarah Snook, we all know Shiv from Succession. She's so talented, and the whole concept of the show is very special, modern, creative, and unique. I'm not gonna spoil anything for anyone here right now, but if you can, please go and see it. I know they extended the show till end of June, but there are not so many tickets left, and I'm not sure if they gonna come back next season, especially because it's such a tremendous work, especially from Sarah's side. So I don't think it's really sustainable to do it like on a very long run. So if you're lucky and you got your tickets, do not read reviews, just go and see it and let yourself be very surprised. I tell you, you will love it. Now back to the fashion. So last Friday afternoon I spent in SoHo wandering around my favorite beautiful store there, and I got myself a new raffia bag from a brand called Rouje. I love this brand. It's very feminine, I would say. A lot of French vibes going on there, kind of similar to Cézanne, Balzac. Some pieces are very girly, very sweet for me personally, but the quality is really good, and time to time I like to pick some pieces from this kind of brands. And I was on the market for raffia bag, but to be honest, for different kind of raffia bag. Classic, natural color, big beach raffia bag. My old one, felt pieces, unfortunately last September, right at the end of our trip to Mallorca, and I wore that bag a lot to the beach, on vacations, and even here in New York City. It's really essential in my wardrobe, so I need a replacement, but I haven't found anything that I like online or in the stores. And on top of that, this summer I'm gonna be in New York, so I'm looking more for like summer in the city vibe this time around. So when I see this little one, I decided to go for this because it's gonna be such a great accent item for a lot of simple summer outfits that I wear a lot, like denim shorts, white t-shirts, tank top, simple summer dress. Love it, and love it size-wise as well, because it can fit a book, camera, and all of necessities easily. Another thing that I'm currently looking for a replacement is a pair of shoes. So last summer I bought these very interesting shoes from Zara. They're kind of funky, not usual for me, but I like them, and they were 100% suede and cost just $35 on sale. So I decided to give them a try, and to my surprise I enjoy to style them so much and they were super comfortable as well, even during summer, I guess because of material, and I wore them a lot. In fact, I wore them so much that a suede on the left shoes was torn in the end of the summer, unfortunately. I wish they lasted for longer, but I guess I got what I paid for. So I'm looking around, and actually a lot of brands are doing suede shoes this season. I think it's kind of popular, but I don't really like this very classic look. And just recently I came across this one, and I really love this look, and the quality seems like top notch, but the price I'm still thinking about them. And also they are more like warm toned, and my Zara ones was like more cool toned. So I don't know, if you have something similar that you really like, please let me know in the comments below. Another thing that is very trendy this season is stripes. You probably see a lot of brands playing with a lot of different color combination for the t-shirts or button down, but I have one particular long sleeve that I've been eyeing for a long time from the brand that I really like, and I'm sure about the quality, and I'm sure they do like the right thickness of cotton for this particular oversized look. So with this trend is going on, I think it's time for me to pull a trigger. And well, stripes is a trend this season, but this particular one is gonna be the classic for all the following one as well. So I think it's time to wrap this video up, and I will continue with the rest in the next one. Oh, by the way, I decided to return my COS leather flip-flops. I just learned from my past mistakes, and I took time to style them with my summer outfits at home. And what I realized is that I'm still reaching to Havaianas much more often, and what I really need is like more elegant black leather sandals. So I still need to find this one as well. Can't wait to finish building my summer in the city capsule and put together several go-to outfits for all different occasions I have here, and wear them again and again and enjoy all summer long. So I'm gonna to film and share that whole process. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. Meanwhile, please take good care of yourself, and bisous bisous.